Hey, this is Caleb is Awesome 13 back to you with another video. This is going to be an updated demo of my 42-inch Hunter low profile ceiling fan because over here I have it now on a wall control. 3-speed Lutron wall control. Let's check it out. I'm going to turn on low. The camera please focus so I can get this. Here's low. Well, kind of on par with the factory low. Maybe a little faster, but not. But still, it's slow enough to still be a low speed. So we'll go ahead and come over here and turn it up to medium. Here's medium. Here's the medium. There's about right on par with the factory. Focus camera. Ooh, focus camera. Focus camera. So this is a medium. So from here, this is a medium. And now we'll go switch it over to high. Now we'll go over here and switch it over to. Now we'll go over here and switch it over to high. Oh, and also took the light kit off so the wall control can work. But here's high. But here's high. Here's high. High, of course, same as always. It's nice and fast. And there's linear airflow. Nice breeze. I'm gonna do a little more in depth. Now I'm gonna show you how slow this thing goes on double low speed here. Show you how slow it goes, and then we'll turn it back up to high and do spin down. Then we'll turn it up to high and do spin down. Yeah, come on, camera focus. Here it is. This is as slow as you can go with this, with both the wall control and the bolt chain on low. This is how slow you get. This is what kind of speed you get. Now turn it back to the high and do spin. Let's turn it back to the high and we'll do spin down. Off high. Medium high. So let it get back up to high here. Okay, and the camera will focus. Focus, camera, focus. All right, let's go ahead and do spin down now. I'm not going to go as in depth with this demo this time. So we're going to go ahead and let it spin down now. Yeah. This is an updated demo of the ceiling fan in my bedroom. Thank you for watching. Peace out.